Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Wednesday. So we can see that we already have our calendar on. It's Wednesday. And we have CPI. And also Powell is going to testify later on. But this is going to be very important. When we check here, it seems like we're not going to see much of a change. But CPI month over month, it seems to be going a little bit lower, and the other one, which is core, is going actually up. But the best way, just because this might be actually mixed numbers, they might not really move very nice. If we get mixed numbers, the market will just move, then play around the same level. So which means we just have to wait and see, unless if maybe you know where the market will be going. But at the moment, I think it's much better for me to just actually not actually go on the market before, right? So I will just actually try to go or start from dollar index just to see what's really happening on the market. And guess what? The market is still playing around the same level. I think maybe the market is waiting for CPI or resale sales because the market is just stuck around the same level. You can see that the market tried to go a little bit higher and the market reversed. After that, the market reversed actually. And now that we are playing around the same level. So which means we will just have to wait and see if maybe we're going to get that sort of ranging structure, or maybe the market might end up pushing to the upside, breaking that resistance and continuing with that uptrend. Because once the market breaks here, we expect to see a continuation of that uptrend or a continuation of a buy, right? But it seems like the market is just going to play around the same level. Guess what? We are on gold. Gold, it's still going up. We try to get in there. That's why I said this is overbought. And sometimes it's not really easier for us just to jump in. We did try to jump in there just to scalp. Guess what? It did not really go well. The market reversed. So now I'm expecting it to reach this level. Yes, around this level, there are some zones where maybe the market might respect, but I think if it reaches this zone here, that will be way much better. So I think maybe the best way is it will be going to 4 hours time frame. So let's try. So you can see where the market actually did its thing. Firstly, we had this level. Come on. Happening. It seems like my screen or something just froze. Okay. So from this area, it was actually our nice highest level there. The market broke out. So if we go closer, let me try to zoom a little bit. You will see that actually the market has been also creating some nice moves. So the market created something like this, withdrawn that. Now it's around this level. But if we can clear all this noise, we can say the stronger support area is going to be here before we go higher. Where we are, yes, it might seem like a stronger support, but it's not actually a stronger support. Yes, it's some structures that the market create, but you can see that this market has been going upwards. Just look, and we never had that aggressive reversal. I think along the way the market will be doing that. The market will be giving us that a nice reversal. We're waiting for that. So on a daily time frame, I think it's also clear that we are actually on the higher level. I still believe that with the situations that we see, with the geopolitics that we see, I think we will see a continuation of that buy. But I think a reversal is way much better. It has to happen before we continue. So let's push to the next one. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. I will be showing you the indicator, what's really happening with our indicator at the moment. Is it giving us right signals or not? So this is what we have on US30. The market is still actually going higher, but we still stuck on this consolidation structure. I've been talking about this consolidation structure for quite long now, and it shows us that the market is actually struggling to break, so which means we might get a nice push the lower side. But remember, we have CPI later on, and that might be a very good thing. Maybe if it's a plus, that would make the dollar to be stronger. If it's negative or lower than expected, we'll see the market going down. Right here, it's like up, you see. So that's what we expect. At the moment, I think there's nothing we can do here. There is nothing. Even though there are smaller moves, I think they're just here just to confuse us. This was a clear move. This was a clear move. But this here, it's not really a clear move. So the best thing that you can do, unless if maybe you just scalping, sometimes just stay out of the market. Focus on something else. At the moment, this is a no-no. Even if maybe when you go on a smaller time frame seems to be a good structure, but no, I still say no. So I'm not gonna entertain it that much, unless if maybe you just scalping. So yeah, which means I'm waiting for the market to reverse, or maybe the market might break out. Then we can look for buy positions above that area. So let's push to the next one, which is Nasdaq. Quite similar to Nasdaq, so we're still on this nice uptrend. But when we go closer there, you will see that you can see this is a proper layer. We can even double this, make it like that. You can see. So the market has been actually going up like that. So there is a chance for the market to actually reach this level and go a little bit lower. Or let's try something. Let's try to think outside the box. So I'm going to measure this area, maybe around this area, the first zone here. You see these areas and see what will happen. So firstly, I think the simpler one is going to be from this zone to that. You see that? Let's see. Yeah, let's push it higher. Okay, something like that. So let's duplicate this and see if maybe these are going to be the same things. I hope maybe you understand what I'm trying to do here. Let's click this. Let's duplicate. Okay, you see that? Okay. Let's try to duplicate that and put it around here. So my point, what I'm trying to show you there, we can push this up to that. My point is, around those areas, around those levels, there is a chance where we're going to see the market going lower. So which means here, we can see maybe the market doing its thing, then we might see the market reverse again around this level. Why? Because we saw it happen before. From here to there is the same as here. You see that? So if we measure this, most likely it's not going to be as perfect as you would think, but most likely it works. You see, something like this, we see that. So which means we can expect something to break around this level. Maybe a nice reversal here before we see a nice push. You see that? I hope maybe you see that. And I think if it happens, it will be around this level. So the market might just touch here and go higher. Simple as that. So which means you have to think outside the box. Plus, another thing is we have geopolitics, we have fundamentals that you have to check. Like today later, we have CPI. So which means it might decide what's really going to happen. So when we were when I was showing you whatever that I was showing you before, obviously I was showing you around this area. It might look like it's closer, but it's a little bit far because this is a daily time frame. The market might touch there before going up. You see that? And it's possible, but it's not. I'm not saying that the market is forced to do that, but there is a possibility for the market to do that. So around this area also, we have that resistance. There is a possibility for the market to think twice and say, you know what, let me just break. And once the market break, we can just look for that continuation of a bar. But once the market breaks, we have to also add that on the formula, because what if the market touches here and reverse. So we have to say once the market moves above that, then we will be going out. So I hope maybe you see what I'm trying to show you. Easy as that. So I think maybe for now, this is enough. Let me show you what's next. S&P 500, quite similar. So let me show you what we have. What we have here, let me do something like this. So we have, what is this? USD CAD. There is a nice buy order there. I think this might be a very good buy. Let me go on this and see what's really happening on USD Canada. Let's go USD CAD. Where is it going up? Okay. You see what I'm seeing there? So the market is already on the support area. So which means, yes, it makes sense for us to look for that buy. And this is it was a nice ranging structure. So obviously the market might actually go even higher. The overall structure is what? It's actually an uptrend. So yes, here the indicator also take that one. So another thing before I continue, our indicator is $150 for those who want this system. So just let me know. So let's check something else. What can we check? USD CHF. Okay. USD CHF. Okay, we had, the market was giving us some very nice moves. Oh, sorry, I forgot. We're supposed to be on 1 hour. But if maybe you want a slower market, obviously you have to be on 4 hours time frame. So, okay, we had a sell here, which is still moving. You can see the market is going lower. So it will tell us if maybe it's time for us to get out. But I think it's a very nice one. Let's check USD CHF. If maybe it's on a sell, as we see there. Let's see. USD CHF on 1 hour. Let's see. Okay. Oh, yeah. I remember we bought this one here. Now it's reversing. So let's see. And that can be a very nice signal there. You can see that. So that can be a very nice signal. So, and it shows us that the market it's on a quick sell, but we also smashed that buy. So let's see if maybe we did get that buy. You see that buy, we took it around this level and until, you see. So that is actually some very nice signals. We smashed this one also in the group. So just check our group. I think we even, I don't know if we did touch the profit or not, but we had a buy here. Just look how it moves. Euro JPY, or let me show you that. Let me show you that Euro JPY before we call it a day. Euro JPY. Whoa! Oh, I just got a notification to get to actually halfway just to log the profit. Just look at that. This is a proper nice bullish move. It's a very nice buy, and this is the daily time frame. Just imagine when we go on a bit smaller. Actually, it's a swing trade, guys. It's a swing trade. So you can see this. Just look at that. We never had any crazy reversal there. The market was just moving very nice. So actually, this indicator doesn't really miss that much. So for those who want that, for those who want this system, it's $150. Let me know. Check my description. Click my WhatsApp link there. Then you can talk to me. For those who want the signals, it's actually $60, 12 months. If you want lifetime, it's $150. So thank you very much. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. I will see you on the next one. Bye.